So today we are gonna see how to do tasty and yummy veg pongal. Come on!
Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I'm your Durga Durairajan and today we are gonna see how to do a tasty and super duper yummy veg pongal.
So now in a cooker we add 300 gram of raw rice in it, and then we are adding the 300 gram of raw rice only now. So now let's add 100 gram of moong dal in it, and we add salt to your taste, and then before adding the salt wash it. So we add 200 ml into 5 glasses of water. This much quantity you have to add the water in it. Usually we add more water than the rice while we are making pongal, so that it will be very nice, so that the texture will be like that. So we add 5 tablespoons of ghee. So I have missed to tell the what we have to do. So it is written there, you can check it out. So now we are adding 2 tablespoons of oil in it, and then when it is heated, we add pepper seeds, which is 1 teaspoon. So now we add jeera, which is 1 tablespoon. So now we add pepper powder, which is 1 teaspoon. So after that we add asafoetida powder, which is 1 teaspoon. Now we add few curry leaves in it, and then we add cashew nuts. It can be 10, 15 and anything. So now let's sort it well. After sorting it well, we are sorting it. So after sorting, now let's see the pongal, how it have came. So wow, it is very nice. So now what we are doing means what we have created now, we are adding this in the pongal. So now let's sort it well. So see how cool our pongal is ready. So finally we are adding some ghee in it.
So finally we are the tasty and yummy veg pongal. Come on, let's taste it. Yay! That's so yummy. You have to try it, friends. And thanks for watching. And then I have to tell you an important message to you. And that's I need to thank the YouTube, because it's the one and only social media which I came to know yet is giving the equal and best opportunity for each and every one to expose their talents to the world. That's it. Meet you in the next episode. Bye.
So before leaving, I want to tell you one thing. Clever people learn from their own mistakes. Intelligent people try to avoid mistakes. Wise people learn from others' mistake. It's always better to all the axle rather than create a new wheel. Just the information and the wordings are nice, no? So I know that you want to subscribe to our channel. So press the logo there and subscribe to our channel very easily and very quickly. 2 more videos are waiting for you. Click and have fun. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next episode. Tata. Bye bye. Take care.